In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for illustration. If you've ever tried building a custom illustration in Canva and felt limited by basic templates or generic graphics, this guide will help you take much better control of your design. The good news is that Canva can do a lot more than many people realize, especially when you start using elements, shapes, layers, and export settings more intentionally. To begin, open Canva and load the project you want to work on. From the homepage, look through your recent designs and open either a blank canvas or an existing illustration project. This brings you into the editing workspace, where all your tools and assets are easy to access in one place. If you're starting from scratch, click Create a design in the top right corner and choose Custom Size. Change the unit to inches, then enter 12 inches for the width and 12 inches for the height to create a square canvas with plenty of room for a detailed illustration. Once the canvas opens, go to File, then View Settings, and turn on Show Margins. This gives you a helpful visual boundary so your important artwork stays comfortably inside the safe area. Next, head to the Elements panel on the left side. This is where you can find the visual building blocks for your illustration. In the search bar, try more specific style-based keywords like organic summer vector, lino-cut silhouette, mezzotint texture, risograph pattern, or cyberpunk line art. Using focused search terms helps you find artwork with a stronger visual identity. When you find something you like, click and drag it onto your canvas. From there, start combining elements with basic shapes and lines to make the composition feel more original. Resize objects using the corner handles and click on any selected item to open its toolbar. You can then change colors, adjust transparency, and test different combinations. This is where your illustration starts to feel unique rather than like simple stock layout. As your design becomes more layered, it's important to manage which items appear in front and which sit behind. Right-click an element, go to Layer, and choose Show Layers, or use the Position option in the top toolbar, and open the Layers tab. Then drag items up or down in the stack until everything is arranged correctly. This is especially useful when you're overlapping textures, shapes, and focal elements. Before exporting, do a final alignment check. Move objects slightly and watch for Canva's smart guidelines to help you snap everything into balance. Once you're happy with the layout, click Share, then Download, and select PNG for a high-quality result. If you have Canva Pro, increase the size to 2x or 3x for extra detail, and enable transparent background if needed. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.